Welcome to Decalogs. Today we are at a decor home owned by Himanshu and family.
Found in the initially we saw in the Facebook the designs. I call from Decorpot. Then we discussed our requirement. We went there, we discussed them, and they understood the requirement very easily. And they saw so many designs. The design they have given so much time to us to discuss the design. And
The theme of this home is quite modern.
When the design, what the designer has suggested to us, it was really unique kind of. The wallpapers or the false ceiling.
The false ceiling is flanked with cove lights. The TV unit is made of a white and chocolate brown laminates that have a combination of open and closed shutters. The jali partition separates the living from the dining.
Most of the time I am in the kitchen, so that's why I can appreciate the kitchen more. And it was the color combination, what the designer suggests are very good.
The kitchen has a combination of white and green matte finish laminate. The master bedroom is made quite bright with a theme of purple. With a double-layered textured false ceiling, a combination of white and purple high-gloss laminates are used for the wardrobes. The same is used at the headboard of the bed. The kids' bedroom has a combination of white and blue with digital laminates used for the wardrobe.
Execution, I will tell very nice way they did the execution. Within 15 days they completed the interior. In fact, they make it livable. I appreciate the execution team and all the carpenters, everyone. Thanks for the Decorpot.
We'll be back with more Decalogs from Decorpot.